Hello everyone. I just wanted to get on and show the hair that I just received. I ordered from International Hair. I don't know the name exactly, but I'll put the link down. I ordered on Tuesday night, and I received it here today, Friday. I ordered the Peruvian body wave, and the hair came FedEx, and it was in this bag, a Ziploc bag. So far, I opened the 20-inch, and they were all together with this little tie. They come with this little pink bow, which is kind of cute. This is the 20-inch. I played with the hair for a little bit. I didn't get any shedding. The hair, it looks really good. It feels nice and soft. I don't know what to say about it, but so far, it looks good. This is the 18-inch that I didn't open yet. I'm trying to open it with one hand. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, but I got it. Okay. So, this is the 18-inch. The wefts look pretty good. I didn't open it yet, but from what I can see, they look pretty good. This is the 18-inch. The hair is like, it's natural color. It's like really dark brown with some lighter brown highlights in it. As you can see. The ends of the hair look really good. They're not all stringy or thin. Alright, so next is the 16-inch. So here we go. This is the 2018, and now I'm going to open the 16-inch. And again, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. I didn't measure the hair. I can't tell if it's true to length or not. But all right, this is the 16-inch. This is what the wefts look like. This bundle feels really nice. Here's the ends. Yep, it looks really nice. So I'll probably be installing the hair over the weekend. Also, I can't do it like that. I currently have some hair in my hair right now that I can't say that I like it. I can't say that I don't like it. It sheds a lot. I ordered it from New Star hair. Other than the shedding, I really can't say much about this hair. But, oh, and it was really, really thin. Really thin. I had ordered a 26, a 22, and a 18. And this is all the hair. I have all 3 bundles of my hair. And I had to cut most of the 26 off because of the ends were just, oh my goodness, they were just so bad. You can see the shedding. Every time I run my hands through the hair, I get shedding. It's not like a whole bunch. I really don't mess with this hair a whole bunch. I don't know why. I didn't bond with this hair at all. So, I had it in a week. And I'm going to be taking it out, to try this other hair that I ordered. This hair I paid $180 something for it. But like I said, I'm not really thrilled about the hair, so but I don't dislike it, so I don't know. I'm gonna save it for later and try it another time. So that's what I'm gonna do. This hair, the 3 bundles, it was free shipping, was $168. So we'll see. All right, thank you.